Hey guys, so this is what's left of Backyard Tortoise, Pennsylvania years. Very sad. Very, very sad. That's it. Remember all the videos of Albie and Delilah in this cage? Little Dave and Manny in these cages. All torn down. But for bigger and better things,
Yes.
they will have much bigger enclosures. We'll have much more space in North Carolina. Like you see in our videos, hopefully you've seen our videos that we were building actually just a few days ago in North Carolina. Now we're back in PA to clean up everything we built in the last 3 or 4 years.
Let's start over here.
Cages are missing. We had Delilah and Spank, not Delilah.
Darla.
Spank and Darla. We removed the barrier around the pond enclosures here. We're just trying to put some, because these guys are starting to come up right now, so we're trying to just put some logs and stuff around, even though they might get out to the yard, but we're going to try to snag these guys within the next week as it gets warmer and put them in the tubs. And if not, our buddy Tom has volunteered to jump in the pond.
There's somebody right there. Big old red ear.
Right here.
Good morning, honey.
Yeah, they'll be coming up today. But Tom said if we can't find them all, he'll jump in here, and we
Snorkel.
might purposely not find them all because it'll make an awesome video. And so our buddy Tom's gonna jump in there. We'll
Right
put 'em
before he
back
comes
in
over,
there.
we'll put him back.
It's gonna be like an Easter egg hunt. So we have, as you can see, where all the dirt is was where we took enclosures down, and everything's in the dumpster. Like I said, it's sad. Filled in our smaller ponds for our golfs, and where we had the man-eye and ambos. We still have our, we didn't have an escape, did we?
No.
Okay. Oh, there she is. We have our 3 toads here. We took the top layer off, but we had to keep the bottom layer because these guys are still under. They should be coming up. They came up in the last week or so, but they went back down because it got kind of chilly. So we have to keep a barrier up for these guys. As you can see over here, cages are gone for little Dave and Manny.
Ollie, Albus.
Ollie, Albus, their
Delilah.
big cage. We took
You can
down the
see
baby.
Marks where
Yeah.
the grass is dead.
We got to fill all this in. The baby enclosures, which were over there. Pancakes, the specks, the hingebacks over here. Leopards. Hermans were here.
Little reds and
The leopards were actually over
George.
here. We had Russians. So we had to dig all these up for the most part, and we'll have to fill it in. Our deserts were here. And over here we have the ornate still under. So we had to keep this,
there's a hole right there. See somebody came out of there.
yeah, these guys are coming up. So we had to keep this.
Over here. They are underneath the tub. I've seen them under there. I'm sure if we lift it up, we'll see a couple.
Raccoon jump set.
There's one. Aw. Looks like Blossom.
Oh. That's it. We gotta clean all this stuff up back here. This is where the reds and yellows were.
Cleaned off the deck. We had little Jay up there, and we had the chameleons up there in the summer.
A lot of work in both places. But as sad as this is, it's gonna be awesome. So follow us, please follow us on this journey as we tear down and build. And there'll be plenty of videos. I guess we'll probably be going back down to North Carolina next month.
Can I yell at Sammy? Sammy, get out of there. Come on. Come on. All the rules are just completely, all the rules
You got yelled at
are
on-
broken.
You got yelled at on video. You got yelled at on video.
Did you bury your bone in there? I hope you didn't.
Too funny. All right, guys. So please continue to follow us on Facebook and on YouTube, and share it, subscribe, give us a thumbs up. We'll take anything. Thank you.